We will use a grease spot photometer to verify the inverse square law. First, prepare a grease spot photometer. Rub a small amount of oil onto the center of a piece of paper. Then, glue the piece of paper onto a paper frame. The photometer is ready. Separate a 25-watt bulb and a 40-watt bulb by a distance of 1 meter. Hold the photometer and move it between the lamps until the grease spot disappears. Record the distance between the photometer and the center of the 40-watt bulb D1. Repeat with different separations of the lamps. What did you discover from the ratio of D1 square to D2 square?